What's up, my friends? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, I'm talking about the Indian coin. What's the current price of Indian coin? What's the price changes of coin, the Indian coin? And this video, I will show you, friends. Be alert and be safe from loss. You can see here the price fast down occurs in the Indian coin. That is the last 1 hour live price of the Indian coin. You are seeing here the fast down occur in the Indian coin. So be alert and be safe from loss. Don't worry about this fast. This fast is for temporary. After a few days the Indian coin will again start moving upward. And why the price of Indian coin is fast down, let me show you, friends. But I request everyone, if you listen my voice, so please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. See, my friends, the price statistic of the Indian coin. If you look the latest price of the Indian coin in the market, so you can see here the latest price of the Indian coin is 1.224 USD dollar, friends. That is the latest price of the Indian coin in the market. And if we look the opening price of the Indian coin in the market, so 1.29 USD dollar, friends. 1.29 USD dollar, friends. That is the opening price. Same like that, if we talk about the lowest price of the Indian coin, so 1.078 USD dollar. That is the opening lowest price of the Indian coin in the last 24 hours, and the highest price is 1.306 USD dollar, friends. That is the opening price of the Indian coin. And you know what, Indian coin hit a 1.00 billion market supply. Oh my god, that is the another big move of the Indian coin. Let me show you, friends. As you can see now on the screen, the Indian coin price last 1 hour price change is going upward, friends. You can see here that is the last 1 hour price chart. Now the price may be fast down, friends. Don't worry about this fast. You can see here the 24 hours price is negative 0.06%. The price is fast down in the last 24 hours. So my friends, don't worry about this. The price will be more fast down, friends. I'm sure that the price fast down in the few days, friends, because it is the end of month and the price is going to fast down, friends. Every cryptocurrency is fast down at this time, friends. So that's why I recommend for everyone to don't decide to sell. It's time to hold, my friends. If you decide to hold, maybe there is chance that they move upward. But if you decide to sell, so as you know, the last 1 week, the last 1 month price changes of the Indian coin is negative, so that's means that you are in the loss. So that is why I recommend for everyone to, it's time to hold, not decide to sell. Anyways, my friends, so what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Indian coin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.